Hloso apologized to Lihle. Now he's fighting with Dinhle, saying he should have paid Lihle's fees instead of buying a house. Bridget found Victor and took him to hospital. Now Talisa wants his phone so she can delete the evidence. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So Hloso comes home devastated because Ulihle told Lihle could not speak to him. He's feeling bad that he could not pay his child's fees, but he went and got a bond house for his new family. He's feeling so bad, and Dinhle is like, we should have spoken about this. We could have seen what to do. As I'm doing Suzola, my father, this is not about marriage, but about me as a father. I should have paid for my child's fees instead of making her feel like she is not important in my life. Didn't I realize the fights will never end? And suggest because I can't even say anything anymore because Hloso was going on about I feel like my kids, when they look at me, they see nothing. They look at me like I'm nothing. And says that it ends up suggesting that they should maybe talk to someone because they fight a lot. And then Hloso went to apologize to Lihle, saying that he knows that he hurt her and he's asking for forgiveness and that he will make a plan to pay for her fees. He came to give her allowance enyanga. Lihle could not even touch the envelope, left it there, and he apologized and left. And then finally now he's feeling bad. He's feeling guilty about his actions because abantwana bakhe nyalo, I mean, he already lost into two. Now Lihle, my father, I mean, she always held him with high regard, but that's done now because Umawake has to ask for loans for her to go to varsity, but her father is not doing anything. Bridget found Victor in his office, called an ambulance, took him to hospital. Now the doctors are saying that Victor might suffer permanent brain damage because he could not get help within 5 minutes because Taps and Mdala left him there. Now Taps is worried, busy asking questions about him. And Uvovi is like, no man, something is off. If you wanted to leave Beshafela, why did you go back there? Now, Taps is scared, like he's busy with Bizudi Pompagabial. Jiggy tourist updates her mom, telling her Victor is in hospital, blah blah blah. And then she goes rushing to see Taps to find out what's going on, what is Taps going to do. And then finds out Taps is the one that went to confront Victor and left him there stranded and switched off the CCTV footage so that nothing happened, so that no evidence can lead to him. So Taps confessed that is the one that switched off the CCTV footage and left Victor there. And now Talita will have an upper hand of something to use against him. Now Talita is out here wanting Victor's phone so that she can erase the evidence. And Mama Poet did not even go to the wedding because she didn't want him marrying a blind person. Mwanyana was foo. Poet was not happy about that, and he started revealing his secrets, also saying, when you're forgetting who your brother was shot in a wedding, at least naki mama ka when you're not even sure mama how can needy drama in a cousin abut it got so deep that Toriso was left shocked because she went low and Poet went lower. I was thinking, but Lolo and Abaka need. Hey, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.